Strange and interesting bits of Rays spring training news Friday. First, starter David Price injured his neck while toweling off his head in the dugout. I'm not kidding. It's just a muscle spasm. He should be okay. Second, manager Joe Maddon announced that he and some of his guys will shave their heads for charity next Thursday morning. They will donate money from their head shaving to pediatric cancer funds. And finally, James Shields was named the opening day starter for the Rays regular season. Meanwhile, Tampa Bay hosted the Orioles in Port Charlotte. Bottom one here for O's pitcher Jake Arrieta, who strikes out Jose Molina looking. Arrieta went 4 innings, allowing 2 earned runs on 4 hits. Top 2, Alex Cobb matches Arrieta here with a strikeout. Cobb went 3 innings, allowed 2 hits and no runs. Later, it's Josh Bell hitting what looks to be a base knock to left, but Jeff Salazar makes a great sliding catch to save the out there. Still in the second, it's Endy Chavez ripping this base knock back up the middle. Not too much hitting early in this game, and maybe because the defense was so good. Adam Jones hammers one to left center, but look who's there. Sam Fuld sliding out of nowhere for the great catch. Orioles visit the Phillies in Clearwater Saturday afternoon. Rays visit the Red Sox in Fort Myers.